Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. On days when I am super busy, I need to be able to get a meal put together in just a few minutes, but I don't want to sacrifice on quality or flavor. This Mina Addis allows me to do just that. This is a Moroccan lentil stew. This stew is delicious. It is so good. This beautiful blend of lentils, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and really delicious warming smoky spices brings the flavors of Morocco right to your home. These pouches are so convenient. So you can either take the stew out, put it into a pan and cook it on the stovetop. You can boil in the pouch, or you can pop the pouch into the microwave. Either way, in just a couple minutes, you have this warm, delicious, rich lentil stew bursting with flavor that is going to create a beautiful meal for you in no time. That flavor is delicious. You can tell that this was really simmered for a long time. It has a richness and complexity to it. And it's great that it's just made with very simple, clean ingredients, things that you would cook with at home, but it's already done for you and makes it super simple. I really was impressed with the quality. The texture of the lentils is delicious. They're not mushy. And that rich and warm broth that they're in is so complex, and it's just super satisfying. Each half cup serving has 6 grams of plant-based protein, and there's 2 servings in each pouch. I love to serve this with some cooked rice, or it would be really good with some crusty bread or maybe a flatbread as well. Anything that you can really soak up all that delicious stew. So if you need a little help getting a meal together on a busy day, I would definitely check out Mina's Moroccan lentil stew. It is made from quality ingredients, it tastes delicious, and it's super convenient. And that is my point of view.